Hi, I'm Lauren Taylor from Active Property Group. I'm here today to give you the quarterly update for our pooled mortgage fund, PMAC Trust. For the March 2026 quarter, we delivered an 8.09% per annum return, or a 2% quarterly return, which means our return over the last 12 months has been 8.10%. On the lending side of the business, we had a fairly slow start to the quarter. However, we finished strongly with 2 large loans settling in the last week of March. Throughout the quarter, we maintained a low cash position, which minimised cash drag, and we finished the quarter with 4.1% in cash, just under our target of 5%. In my previous updates, I mentioned that we had experienced some difficulty with one of the defaulted loans due to the borrower registering a complaint with the Australian Financial Complaints Authority. This complaint has now been dismissed by AFCA, as expected, and we have immediately recommenced enforcing recovery actions and have taken possession of the security property. While we wait to sell the security property, we have raised a provision for the higher interest owed on this loan, which has impacted the overall return. We also have a handful of other loans that are currently in default. However, we are expecting to recover the full loan amounts in all instances. Our current focus is to finalise the recovery process on all the defaulted loans, which should see our returns improve in coming quarters. However, this can't be guaranteed. The 2 RBA interest rate increases we've already seen during the first quarter of the year should also have a positive impact on the returns. Again, this can't be guaranteed. Furthermore, we have been actively trying to increase the number of second mortgages within the portfolio in order to provide higher returns for investors. Second mortgages currently only make up 5.6% of the fund's portfolio, so increasing this number will have a positive impact on returns. However, we will continue to maintain our conservative approach to lending while doing so, and the preservation of our investors' capital remains our top priority. We've also made some recent changes to our lending processes, which should improve our efficiency, and we believe this will mean we'll be able to deliver an advantage over our competitors, leading to increased business. While instability has been wreaking havoc on the global economy, we believe that PMAC Trust is well placed to weather the storm and continue to provide healthy returns to our investors. We expect we'll be doing regular investor intakes in the coming months, so please submit your applications so that we can get you invested now. If you have any questions about investing, please get in touch at investorrelations@activepropertygroup.com.au. Thanks and see you next time.